Hello everybody, it's Larry and welcome to a special video. So special in fact that I wanted to come here and talk to you in person myself. That's right, you get to see my office with all the stuff on the shelves all messed up. I guess I could have fixed them up if I was going to show myself. But what I wanted to do is give you a special deal, so special that I had to deliver it in person. I've already told you about downloading your DNA from Ancestry, from 23andMe, or from FTDNA and uploading it into MyHeritage. And that's something everybody should do. And once you do that, there's a $29 unlock fee, and that unlocks it forever. It gives you access to the chromosome browser. It gives you access to the auto clustering, some great tools. And then the DNA match list has a three-way triangulation. When you unlock it, you get the full list instead of just the top few. You get everybody on that list. Well, and you don't lose your data. Your stuff is still on the other side. So when you download it, it's not like you're taking it away. It's a copy. So it does nothing. You just upload it and it's there too. But for the viewers of this channel, as a thank you to all of you for the last year and a half that we've been doing this, and as a special partnership with MyHeritage, they are allowing me to bring to you this deal. Are you ready? Because this is really good, folks. It's never been offered before, probably won't be again. But between 2020, this is the year 2020, with all the stuff we've had going on, between Thanksgiving yesterday and Christmas Day, this deal is in place. If you upload your DNA data to MyHeritage, the users and viewers of this channel can use a promo code UPLOAD-LARRY. Capital U, upload, capital L, Larry, L-A-R-R-Y, UPLOAD-LARRY. You enter that at checkout and you will get, here we go, 50% off of the already cheap $29 price for a permanent unlock. Folks, if you're serious about doing genealogy and you're serious about using the DNA to help you with the genealogy, you have to take advantage of this deal. Like I said, I don't know the next time I'm going to pop up like this and speak to you person to person. But when I do, you know it's it's important. 50% off. It's never been offered before. Probably won't be again. A special thank you to the people there at MyHeritage for allowing us to bring this to you. Share this with your friends, folks. Anybody that's maybe been considering this, share it to them. Anybody you know, share this with them. It's not going to be this price again anytime soon, maybe never. This is a special deal for the viewers of this channel. They're thanking me for the stuff I've been bringing to you, and I'm passing that 100% on to you. Now, this isn't paid. I don't get anything for this. I don't get a single penny in revenue from this, okay? This is me saying, I guess I could have made a deal and said, oh, only $19 and made $5 a person. Didn't do that, okay? Everything is passed on to you. Every bit of the discount is passed on to you. This is 50% off, okay? So quit watching the video. Go download it, all right? If you don't know how to do it, there's some videos in channel on how to download it from FTDNA and how to download it from Ancestry and upload it to MyHeritage, and it's the same for 23andMe. I don't have a 23andMe account, okay, so I don't have that. Maybe somebody wants to sponsor that, the QR code up at the top. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. I very much enjoyed bringing it to you, although it is kind of awkward sitting here talking and seeing myself on my own screen while I talk. Anyway, happy holidays to you all. It's been a crazy 2020, and I'm glad that we're able to close this out and close this year out with something that is, this is a remarkable deal. You cannot find, it's not listed on any Black Friday site. It's nowhere. It's only here and only for the viewers of this channel. Use the promo code UPLOAD-LARRY. Anybody can use it. Preferably you watch this video and you see it. So pass this video on to other people. Tell them watch this video, and it's going to be down in the description below. Hope you enjoyed it, folks. Don't miss out on this one. You'll be sorry if you missed it. I promise you. This won't come around again. Take advantage of it.